Don't download ActiveCampaign Enterprise Automation app before watching this. Before you download ActiveCampaign Enterprise, let me share a truth most marketers miss. This platform is an automation powerhouse, but only if you build a strategy that matches its capabilities. ActiveCampaign is known for its email automation, behavioral tracking, and detailed segmentation. But the surprising part is how many people download it expecting a basic email tool. Instead, they open it and discover dozens of automation triggers, conditional splits, tagging rules, and site tracking options they weren't ready for. First, understand your customer journey. ActiveCampaign works best when you map out every step from lead capture, to nurturing, to purchase, to long-term retention. Without that plan, the automation builder becomes overwhelming. Second, tagging is everything. Most people get this wrong. They either over-tag or barely tag anything. In ActiveCampaign, your tags determine personalization, segmenting, and automation targeting. A clean tagging system turns your campaigns into a personalized engine. A messy one creates chaos. Third, the enterprise plan gives you advanced features like predictive sending, custom reporting, and SLA automation. But here's a hidden truth. You only benefit from these if you actually review your data weekly. Many teams pay for advanced analytics, but never use them. The good news. When ActiveCampaign is set up correctly, the results can be dramatic. Businesses using segmented campaigns often see engagement increases of 40 to 60%. Automated follow-ups can recover abandoned leads that would otherwise disappear. So should you download it? Yes, if you want true automation and you're ready to build a structured workflow. But if you just want simple email blasts, this platform may feel overwhelming. If you want more honest breakdowns like this before downloading major apps, make sure to subscribe.